Hello, I'm Greg, the store manager at Fyshwick in Canberra. And what I'd like to show you today is the Oztent King Goanna Chair. One of the main features is the seat is very wide, gives you ample room to sit in and enjoy the comfort. Also, you'll notice it has the unique lumbar support straps here. You can pull the lumbar in or let it out just to your own liking. It also has contrast stitching around the arms, and that just gives it a bit of class and a bit of character. The backs also have adjustable straps so you can also raise the shoulder supports. Both sides have ample pocket space for phones, cans of drink. Plenty of space on both sides. You can see underneath it's a heavy duty construction. Lightweight, nice and balanced on the 4 points that reach the ground. One of the best features though is actually at the top of the chair. In here you can put the bag cover to have your headrest area, but what I always recommend to customers is they buy 2 pillows from Kmart for $10, take the dacron out and fluff it up to their liking to adjust your headrest area. It's on special at the moment, and that's the main features of the King Goanna Chair.